In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shop location in Etsy. This is really useful if you've moved to a different country or if you accidentally selected the wrong region when you first opened your shop. Updating the setting helps ensure that your shipping options, currency display, and buyer expectations are all correct. First, you'll need to open your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct Etsy account where your shop is set up. On a computer, go to the Etsy website, sign in, and then click on Shop Manager at the top. This will take you to your main seller dashboard, where you manage orders, listings, and all your shop settings. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll see a small profile icon. This icon represents your account, not just your shop. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. If your screen is a bit crowded, you might need to scroll slightly or resize your window to see it clearly. After clicking the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose Account Settings. This is where Etsy stores all of your personal and shop-related preferences connected to your account. Clicking Account Settings will open a new page with several sections, usually organized into tabs or headings. On the Account Settings page, take a moment to scan through the different sections. You're looking for the area labeled Location Settings. This might be part of a General Profile or Preferences tab, depending on how Etsy's layout looks at the time you're watching this. Once you've found Location Settings, that's where you'll be able to update the region for your shop. Within the Location Settings area, find the field labeled Region. This is often displayed as a drop-down menu. Click on the Region drop-down, and you'll see a list of available countries or regions. Carefully scroll through the list and select the new region or country that matches where your shop is now based. Take a second to double check that you've chosen the correct one, since this can affect things like shipping profiles and what buyers see. When you've selected the right region, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a button that says Save Settings and click it. Etsy will apply your new location details and your shop region will now be updated. If you want to be extra sure, you can refresh the page and confirm that your new region is showing correctly.